In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the computer connector to send notes and audio to your computer. You must configure your connectors before using them. Once they are configured, the settings do not have to be configured again unless you want to make changes. After configuring connectors, there are two ways to use them to send notes and audio. One way is through the connectors in the navigation pane of LiveScribe desktop. The other way is from the smartpen using LiveScribe Connect shortcuts written on dot paper. In the navigation pane under Connectors, click the Computer Connector to display the configuration page. By default, your files will be saved to the desktop of your computer. If you want to change the location, click on the Choose a Different Folder button. Navigate to the location of your choosing and then click the OK button. Close LiveScribe Connect by clicking on the red X. To send notes and audio from LiveScribe Desktop, make sure the thumbnail view is active. If you see a single, full-size page, you are currently in single-page view. Click the Thumbnail View button to show the thumbnails of the notebook pages. To select more than one notebook page, hold down the Control key while clicking on the pages. Please note that all selections must be made from the same notebook. Click and drag the selected pages over the computer connector until you see the connector highlighted in blue. The number of pages selected is indicated by the number in the top right-hand corner of the page attached to the mouse pointer. Drop the pages on the highlighted connector. The Sending Notes To dialog box displays for you to select notes and audio from your pages. Under Select What to Send, specify whether to send pages with audio, pages only, or audio only. Under Select Your File Type, select the file format in which to send your notes and audio. Click the More Options button to view or change the content selected to be sent. Click the Fewer Options button to close the content selection screen. Click the Continue button. After LiveScribe Connect finishes processing the document, the Save As dialog box appears. Navigate to the location which you wish to save the file, and click the Save button. Use Adobe Reader to view the notes and audio sent to your computer. Use the audio controls at the bottom of the screen to control audio during playback. You can begin playing audio by clicking on the Play button. The button turns into a pause button while a session is playing, so you can toggle between pause and play. Jump back or forward in 10-second increments with the jump buttons. While listening to a session, you can move the time frame slider forward or backward to a specific area to see how it corresponds with your written notes. When your mouse is over active ink, you will see a red dot on the cursor. To play back audio linked to your notes, click on the green active ink in your handwriting. You can tap anywhere within your handwritten notes to play back the audio from that point in time when you wrote the notes. To send notes and audio from the smartpen using LiveScribe Connect shortcuts written on dot paper, first draw a launch line. To make a launch line, draw a 1-inch horizontal line and, without lifting your smartpen, retrace your line in the opposite direction, ending close to where you started. The word Command will appear on the OLED display of your smartpen. Within 8 seconds, write the word Computer directly above the line. Using its predictive text feature, your smartpen displays the first shortcut that matches your written input. When the OLED display prompts you to select pages, tap on each notebook page you want to send and then double tap on the final page. When you connect your smartpen to your computer, LiveScribe Connect sends the selected notebook pages and audio to the connector's destination. This concludes the tutorial on using the computer connector to send notes and audio to your computer.